Have you ever wondered why we are so quick to complain about summer when it quietly gives us so much? A sunrise that feels brighter and warmer, the season of tropical fruits, especially the king of fruits, mangoes, a sweetness we wait all the year for. These tiny neem flowers, so simple yet so special, they bloom only for the season. Maybe the afternoons can be harsh, but isn't this also the season of our best memories? Summer vacations, playing under the sun without any care. And then comes the evenings, longer, calmer. Also, to speak about the late evenings, which is filled with soft light and beautiful colors. All of these only because of summer. So maybe we should start learning to appreciate it as well.